Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are rediving deep into a topic that might make some Buick owners a little nervous. The dreaded P0700 trouble code. If you've seen this code pop up on your scanner, don't panic. It's basically your car's way of saying, hey, something's up with the transmission system, and you need to pay attention. Think of it as a general alert, not the specific problem itself. So, what exactly is a P0700 code? Your Buick has two main computers that talk to each other. The engine control module, or ECM, and the transmission control module, or TCM. The TCM is the brain of your automatic transmission. It monitors all the sensors and controls the solenoids to make sure your gears shift smoothly. When the TCM detects a fault within its own system, anything from a bad sensor to a mechanical issue, it can fix it on its own. So, its first job is to tell the main computer, the ECM, that there's a problem. The ECM then does its job by turning on the check engine light on your dashboard and storing the P0700 code. This is a key point. P0700 itself doesn't tell you what's wrong. It's a gateway code. It simply means the TCM has stored one or more specific, more detailed transmission-related trouble codes to find out the real root of the problem. You need a more advanced scanner that can read codes directly from the transmission control module. A basic code reader might only show you the P0700, leaving you guessing. Now let's talk about what you might experience when this code is active. The most common symptom is, of course, the check engine light being on. But you might also notice some real performance issues. Your Buick might have trouble shifting gears. You might also notice a decrease in fuel economy because the engine and transmission are UND working together efficiently. In some cases, your car might not even start, or it could stall while you're driving, which can be a serious safety concern. So what causes this code to appear? The possibilities are quite broad. It could be something as simple as low or dirty transmission fluid. Fluid is the lifeblood of your transmission. It cools, lubricates, and provides the hydraulic pressure needed to shift gears. If the fluid is low or contaminated, it can cause all sorts of problems. Another common culprit is a faulty shift solenoid. These solenoids are electronically controlled valves that direct the flow of transmission fluid to engage different gears. If one fails, you'll definitely have shifting problems. Similarly, issues with the transmission speed sensors, both input and output, can confuse the TCM and trigger a fault. Wiring issues are also a big one, especially in older Buick. Frayed wires, corroded connectors, or a poor ground connection between the TCM and the transmission can interrupt communication and cause codes to set. And of course, in more serious cases, the problem could be internal mechanical failure within the transmission itself, like a worn-out clutch pack or a faulty torque converter. Finally, though less common, the transmission control module itself could be failing. To properly diagnose a P0700, you need a systematic approach. First, check your transmission fluid. Is the level correct? What's the condition? If it's dark, burn-smelling, or has metal shavings in it, that's a red flag for internal damage. Next, use a quality OBD2 scanner that can access the TCM to pull the specific transmission codes. These codes, like P07514, a shift solenoid, a performance issue, will give you a much clearer direction. I hope this overview helps demystify the P0700 code for all you Buick owners out there. Remember, it's a signal to dig deeper, not a final diagnosis. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more car care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.